Namaste. Thank you for watching the video. This is Vivek Yogi. This was Nakrasana, which is an advanced pose after Chaturanga Dandasana. In this variation, the main thing is, as you attain the mastership in Chaturanga, you practice this posture but with this deep flow of breathing. So as I mentioned, first we go maybe in Chaturanga and only the working. So with the exhale out, this jumping, and the working is to build the strength of your chest, to build the strength of your arms, to build the strength of upper arms. In this, the main advantage is your core will be with strength, the shoulders will be strong, and the chest will be wider. One thing, again the same, if there is any surgical problem of the hands, so please avoid this. This is also an advanced practice to boost the energy, to recover your energy level. After this, the holding, maybe 10 times, maybe 15 times, maybe 20 times, and after that you need to check how many times you can easily jump. And the precautions are very important, so to be safe with your body. And thank you again. If you like this video, please press like button, subscribe the channel, and thank you so much. Namaste.